Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Olajumoke and I make videos on hair tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing how to stretch braiding hair. I'll start by cutting my expression hair into 4. After cutting, I'm going to grip the hair like I'm doing in this video. Now I'll be making use of my thumb and my index finger on both hands. Because I'm right-handed, I'll use my left thumb and index finger to hold the hair. Then I'll use my right hand, index finger and thumb to pull the hair like I am doing in this video. You just pull it gently. Also, as I'm pulling, I try as much as possible to make it neat so that it doesn't tangle too much, because when it tangles, it's going to waste the braiding hair. So I try to be gentle with my pulling, and as I'm pulling, I try to just sort it out. So now I'm done pulling. Right now I'm just trying to sort it out, because while pulling, the attachments or the braiding hair would have gotten tangled up with each other. So I'm just trying to sort it out a bit before I comb it so that my braiding hair won't get wasted. This process is just to detangle it a bit before combing it out. This will reduce the amount of braiding hair that would waste. After I'm done detangling with my hands, I'm just going to go ahead and comb the braiding hair. So after combing, that will be all about stretching out our braiding hair. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Support me by subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to drop a comment, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Till I come your way next time with another hair tutorial. Stay safe, stay blessed.